Hi, and welcome to Employee Payroll Recording System developed in C# using MySQL database. Now let me just show you guys how this works. Okay, we have the details of this very employee, Mary Holloway, and right here we have the payslip of Mary Holloway. We can always print that if we want. Just hit on the print button, and there we go. All you need to do is then click on the print icon there. Or if you want to search, we can search for any of the employee. Let's click on search. There we go. We have Sally Stanmore details there. Every single information about Sally Stanmore wages, and there's the pay slip that we can also print out if we want, and we can refresh to get back straight into the system. When we right click here or we click up here, we get the details of every single employee there, and this is Casey Jonathan, right? We can update any information if we want. Suppose we want to update Casey Jonathan's wages here, where she's receiving the salary is $4,443. Let's assume there's a mistake made, we change that, and we carry out some changes here as well. All we then need to do is just to hit on update and accept that, and there we go. You can see the update has automatically taken place. The other thing that we can do with the system is we can delete if we want. Let's see any duplicated information that we can delete. There's none here, but let's assume this let's say it's Tony. Tony Anthony. Let's duplicate Tony Anthony's details right in there and give it a different reference number. Okay, and that would be our duplicate. As you can see, this is the end of the data grid view. All we just need to do is we can add Tony Anthony detail on the system. So let's come right down here. Should be able to find Tony Anthony. That's the first Tony Anthony here, and let's see where we'll be able to find the second one. That's the second one, Tony Anthony. So we have two records of Tony Anthony in the system. So let's assume we want to delete one of them. So let's say we want to delete maybe this. Okay, all we just need to do is hit on delete there, and there we go. If you look in here, all of the information of Tony Anthony is all gone. Okay, it's either if you want to re-enter it, else you can always just click on reset. You can exit if you want. The choice is yours. So guys, this is just an overview of the Employee Payroll Management System with a database developed using C#. And what will happen is it's going to be a complete tutorial of this, and I'll see you guys shortly. Bye for now.